Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can check if a particular YouTube video is monetized, so you can get an idea if a channel is monetized at the same time. First thing, you want to go on YouTube and you want to look for a video that you're wondering if they're actually making money out of it or it's not monetized at all. So in our example, we're gonna go over here and we're going to click on Jordan Welch's video. Okay, all we gotta do is to click on the three dots under the video. Then you want to click on share. When you click on share, you will have an option to copy the link. Now after we copy the link on our page, essentially what we want to do, you want to go on Google Chrome and you want to find this website. It's called Is This Channel Monetized? You want to click on it. Then you want to come over here and you want to paste the link from the video that we copy on our clipboard. Okay, this is how fast the website actually processes the information. As you can see over here, the video is monetized. Absolutely amazing, right? We also have a breakdown of the views of the overall channel. As you can see over here, the channel has gotten, this video has gotten 2 million views since it was published. Okay, 2 million views. And if you look at the potential CPM over here, if it's $20, right, this video has made 40k or $41,000, which is amazing, right? This is how you guys can check if a channel or if a video is monetized on YouTube. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.